Hello, writers. Today, we are going to be focusing on the conclusion of our essay. Now, this is a really important moment in our essays because it's the last thing that we're leaving our readers with, okay? And I want to warn you about something. Sometimes when young writers write their essays, they put so much work and energy into the whole essay that they kind of run out of energy at the end. And that means that their conclusions are weak. But it's important as essayists that our final thoughts and our final words are really powerful. When we end our essay, we want whoever's reading it to think, wow, they're right. They made a point. Okay, so when I write essays, I kind of think of myself as an announcer or an MC. And when I finish my conclusion, I want to be able to mic drop, walk off the stage, and hear a roar of applause. Now, I know we're just writing essays, but that's the mindset we want to have. So today we're going to write a conclusion that matters. There are 2 links that are posted in today's page. The first is a chart of ways to conclude your essay. So you might restate what is in your thesis or your claim. Now, we can't just copy and paste it. Wouldn't that be easy? But if you're going to choose this route, we want to restate it in a new way. Okay, so summarize your claim or your thesis in a fresh way. You might leave your readers with something to think about. Maybe ask an open-ended question that really gets them thinking about what you were trying to say throughout this whole essay. Okay, you might think about how your thoughts have changed because of this story or because of writing this essay. Okay, how did you look at it the first time you read it? After you studied your story, how did your thoughts change? Okay, you might find a new way to say the theme, perhaps by bringing in words from a famous song, a line from a poem, or another book or movie that also makes this same point. Okay, or you might suggest a new way of acting. Okay, and what I mean by acting, I don't mean like an actor on stage, but maybe what the theme was, what your lesson was, maybe it has changed the way that you're going to act from now on. Okay, so from now on, I will not push people out, or from now on, I will not bully. Okay, so think of maybe something that you have learned that is going to change the way you act. Okay, so those are some ways that you can finish your essay. You can conclude your essay. Okay, and I've also given you an example, and I'm not going to go through this in this video, but I've given you some examples of how I finished Raymond's Run. Okay, I used 3 different techniques, and you can read through these on your own and see how I concluded my essay. Okay, but today we are focusing on our conclusion. If and when you finish your conclusion, you need to go back and make sure that the rest of your draft is ready to go. Okay, because after break, we are going to spend time editing, revising, and working with partners. So let's get to it.